Hi guys, you can enjoy riding your bike, always safe, even in lockdown. So nice view. Stay safe. Good boy. There's some spots to get the COVID test. In lockdown, always safe. So it's good to have a bike. Always be safe. Yeah, find a nice track to ride your bike. So enjoy the views, enjoy the nice sceneries. After a good warm up on a bicycle, you can find a spot, park. You can use the stairs and do your own body weight exercises. So we're doing dips, push-ups, sit-ups, and sit-down squat. All right, so let's do dips. Short session. You can do probably 3 circuits for each, so 4 exercises 3 times. You can start doing some cool down, stretching. The idea is that you actually maintain yourself